Hello guys! Today I'm going to create a yellow eyeshadow look, so let's get started. First I'm going to apply some primer on my eyes. I'm taking a small amount of primer, putting it on my finger and then applying it on my eyes. Then I'm taking some concealer and applying it on my brows and over my eyes. Then I'm blending the concealer with a brush and I'm also using a beauty blender. Then I'm taking my powder and setting the concealer with the help of brush. Then I'm using my palette. So I'm taking the yellow color and I'm going to apply it with a blending brush. Take some of the yellow shade and apply it in the tappy motions on the outer V and on the inner corner of the eye. Once you have applied the color, keep on blending the shadow so that it looks more natural. Now I'm taking the second color, that is purple, and I'm applying it on the outer corner and on the inner corner of my eye. We just need to apply a little bit because we need to create a smoky look, so don't apply it too much. Just apply a little on both the sides and keep on blending it. Then comes the fun part. Take concealer, apply it little bit on your eye and put it on the center of your eye. So then I'm going to take my eyeshadow palette and I'm using two colors again. One is a bit of in light yellow and the other one is a bit of glitter. So one color I'm applying with the brush and another glitter one I'll be applying with my finger. After that I'll be applying some of the shadow on my lower lash line and you will be needing some purple and some yellow. The other eye will look like this. Now completing the look with some mascara and some eyeliner. I'm using the Lakme eyeliner. It's a very good eyeliner. I have been using this since 2019 and it's been really good to my eyes. It's completely waterproof and it gives you a very good matte finish. Now adding some mascara on both the eyes. So here comes our finished look. If you liked my look, then do comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching the video. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.